Find or read reviews that people are talking of Wi-Fi Cam 4K FOCUWAY Smart Car Cam No Screen Mini Hidden Dashboard Recorder with Super Night Vision, App Control Dash Camera for Car. Why you choose that? Below are some reasons why you should choose. 4K UHD Dash Cam, M5 car camera will record automatically when you start engine at 4K high definition resolution. Provide you with clear driving video images. Built-in Wi-Fi feature, we provide an app for each customer who purchases the M5 driving recorder to download the video easily. All the function settings of the dash camera can be easily completed through the mobile phone app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android systems. Supercapacitor. The traditional battery is replaced with a supercapacitor, which improves the adaptability of the dash cam in extremely poor temperature. Can adapt to extremely high or extremely low environment, maintain high performance, and reduce the safety hazard caused by battery problems caused by temperature. Hidden design and voice prompt. The M5 car dash camera adopts a screen-less design. The screen-less and compact shape will not interfere with your sight while you are driving, improving safety. The working status of the car recorder is informed by voice prompts, and the user does not need to check the mobile app frequently to know the working status while driving. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.